This video is not really actually going to go through teaching you anything else. All I'm going to do is jog your memory at this point to say what I recommend you do here is to actually walk through testing that your site actually works. If you set up in PayPal, or like in this case on the page you can see we set up with PaySpree, just actually go through the whole process from the opt-in form right the way through to delivery. So load up your video squeeze page. Earlier on we actually walked through making sure it worked, but again, won't hurt you to do it again here. Just put in a name and email address and then confirm the opt-in. Once you've confirmed, you should be taken to the report delivery page. Just click on the link and make sure your report downloads. Then go to the sales page, make sure that loads. Come down your sales page and then just go through doing a product test. Or if you're happy that the link's correct and you've tested the link that goes to PaySpree or wherever, redirecting there, or PayPal, wherever it's sending them to, then make sure you're happy. Now, the reason why we do this is because like here what you can see is when I did my PayPal video showing you how to set that up, I did change the price here and the name down here. But already I can see with the PaySpree one, I've not done that. So this is a good reason why you follow it through. And all we do to change this, if you'd watched the PayPal video, is we go into our favorite editing software where we connected up the PaySpree link. In this case, we now want to put in our price, and we now want to put in our name here as well, and perhaps just make it to your success. So there it says to your success, and we could put in our name here, and we could file and save this and upload it to our server, because then we know then the price has been changed. We change this to $10 again just to make sure I didn't save it last time. There we go, and save. Go into our FTP software, refresh. That little button here is your refresh button. Drag and drop to upload it. While it's uploading, we just go over to our browser window. Let's refresh this. We should see this price is now changed. And you can see we've now got our $10, and I've just put your success and not put name in here. Likewise, on the download delivery page where we deliver the product, because you're editing this, you can add in anything you like here, and where it says add bonus links, you could put in here links to other free products that may be affiliate links that start a whole new cycle, getting you more traffic going to your sites, or if it's an affiliate link, getting perhaps traffic going to an affiliate product related to your traffic product in this case, making some extra sales. So it's just a memory jog to make yourself walk through the whole process and make sure everything's working, functioning correctly, delivering the product, all the videos work for your customers, and away you go, you're ready to now start selling your product.